Hello. So I wanted to walk you through some of how to access your external textbook through Canvas. This week you've got a couple of assignments, 1.1 and 1.2. So when I share my screen, it's not going to look exactly like yours. In a minute I'll go to student view and you can see, but you, because you don't have access to the textbook yet, won't be able to see exactly what I see. So this week, you have in your objectives to go through a couple of lessons about these two assignments. But as I'm writing here in the intro to the module page, is that you want to familiarize yourself with the Pearson website because you're going to be using it throughout the semester. Your quizzes will be through Pearson, and so it is something you want to get comfortable with. And I recognize that the technicalities can add some frustration, and I'm here for you to voice all of those frustrations and let me know whatever I can to guide you through the online textbook. So the two assignments that you have are 1.1 and 1.2. And the tab over here on the left that is related to the textbook is My Lab and Mastering. But if you go to the modules, you could also just click on these two assignments, and you want to do that early in the week just to make sure that you have access to the textbook. And when I did do that, I can see the name of the assignment, when it's due, and you can access the questions directly in Canvas. Now, later on, when some of the problems get to be a little more visual, and we're going to need some of the tables and graphs inside of the Pearson website, you might want to go over here to the My Lab Mastering tab and actually exit Canvas so that you have a bigger screen. That's why I suggest that you don't work on your phone. You want to get a laptop or a desktop when you're doing some of these assignments. And I can access this website out of Canvas, and then I have a whole nother set of options over here on the left, namely your textbook. So your textbook offers you different resources. If you view the text that mirrors your textbook, because you don't have a physical textbook, you'll see that they'll give you you see mine's taking a little while. So, give yourself some time. But you'll see the table of contents will offer you these data sets that we will be using throughout the course. And then you also have answers to the odd number sections. Now, the assignment that I give you, you will have the answer right away. You'll have the ability to choose another question similar. But what the online text will also give you is you can go right away to chapter reviews, review exercises, and there are some videos from time to time that you can access, though I typically will put different videos on there that are a little more recent. So if you try to access this before you have your license, so this is me looking at our course as a student. The first thing that you're going to see is that you're going to have to enter your license, agree to the terms, and then you're going to make your own account through Pearson. So that's something that I would do. I'm suggesting that you do early in the week, then go ahead and go back to the modules and go through the lessons. And then at the end of every week, that's when your Pearson assignments will be due. So I hope this helped. I know it was a very lengthy video, and jump on it, get an early start on familiarizing yourself with your new textbook.